Okay, guys, have you ever wanted to showcase your best projects or case studies, but every option felt way too complicated to set up? Well, this section is honestly one of the quickest ones we've covered so far. Today, we're adding this section to your store, and it's such an easy way to build credibility by sliding through your best projects or work samples. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and type Project. The name here is a bit different, and you'll find this section. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and just like that, the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and type Project and choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. As soon as you click on it, its settings open up on the left side, all fully customizable. First, there's a top description here. I'm not going to change this one right now, but you can easily update it. Right below that, you've got font size and padding options. Just below that, there's a shape color. Let's change this to white. Scrolling a bit further, you'll find font styles and text colors too. Scrolling down more, you'll find button settings, where you can change the button's background color, text color, and hover background. Now it's time for the slides. Everything we've customized so far has been the overall section settings. Click on any slide and its settings pop up on the left side again. Things like the slide title, body text, and button text, all easily editable. Now let's add an image for whatever we want to showcase here. I'm just adding a random one for now, but you can add your own product or project image here. After customizing all the slides the same way, based on your own preference, hit the Save button and let's check it out in view mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.